Welcome to the BinderChat user guide. In this video, you'll learn how to turn an exported WhatsApp conversation into a beautifully organized PDF memory book on your Windows PC. Before you begin, install BinderChat, export your chat on your phone, and keep the zip archive intact. Do not extract it before importing. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your phone and open the conversation you want to preserve. Open the contact or conversation information screen, scroll down, and select Export Chat. WhatsApp exports one conversation at a time. You can later combine multiple exported backup files in BinderChat. Step 2. Select Attach Media if you want photographs, videos, documents, and voice messages included in your book. WhatsApp will prepare a zip archive containing the conversation and its exported media. Exporting with media creates a larger file and may take longer. Step 3. Choose the location on your phone and select Save. Transfer the zip archive to your Windows PC using OneDrive, Google Drive, iCloud Drive, email, a USB cable, or another secure method. Important: keep the zip archive intact. Do not extract it before importing into BinderChat. Step 4. On your PC, open Windows File Explorer and locate the exported WhatsApp zip archive. It may be in Downloads, Documents, or any folder you chose during transfer. BinderChat and the backup do not need to be in the same folder. Step 5. Open BinderChat on your Windows PC. Under Source Backups, select Backup to choose your exported WhatsApp archive. Step 6. Browse to the folder containing the exported conversation. Select the WhatsApp zip or RAR archive and select Open. To combine several exports, use Add Backup after the first archive. BinderChat merges overlapping history and avoids duplicate messages. Step 7. Choose the language and options BinderChat should use when creating your PDF book. You can embed images, include an attachment inventory, open the PDF when done, and create a separate PDF for each conversation if you prefer. Step 8. Confirm your backups, output location, language, and options. Then select Generate PDF Book. Use Browse Output if you want to choose a different folder or file name. Step 9. BinderChat processes the messages and attachments and shows its progress. Keep the application open. Large conversations may take several minutes. You can pause temporarily or stop if needed. Do not close BinderChat while it is writing the PDF. Step 10. When processing is complete, BinderChat displays a confirmation message. Select OK. Keep the generated PDF, HTML report, and attachments folder together in the same location so links to media and documents keep working. Step 11. Open the Output folder in Windows File Explorer, locate the generated PDF, and double-click it to open your finished memory book. Step 12. BinderChat presents the conversation chronologically in a clear, book-style layout. Depending on your export and options, the book can include messages, images, attachment information, and links to voice messages and other media. Your WhatsApp PDF book is now ready to read, preserve, share, or print. Visit binder.chat to download BinderChat and get started.